This represents the blackboard in our minds. When we think of students spelling words, we like for them to visualize themselves being in a nice sunny spot where everything is nice. No barriers, no worries, just sit, relax, think where you are. This is the same way when we ask somebody to spell a word. We like them to visualize it in their minds and then come out and write it on a piece of paper or in their scribbler, especially if they are beginner learners.
The larger tree limbs, I don't know if you can see where we've written words on it. Our brain, this represents our brainstorming. So we've got weather, and we took some weather terms like rain and snow, things like that. So you'll notice like a tree with branches, the branches are each going off in their own direction, each branch representing a different idea, but they're still joined together by a common link. And then we use the smaller tree branches. We compared those to the herringbone technique, where they're each branching off of the bigger branch. And, that's like the learners asking the questions who, what, where, why, when, and how. And this technique helps the learners to focus on the specifics of what it is that they're reading.
Yes. And on these branches, we have words. We have rain, snow, sleet, cloud, and sun. And this represents pattern spelling. Each leaf represents an extension of the word. So here it was rain. Now it is raining. And then we go to rained. And then we go to rainy. And then to make it a little bit more difficult, we had a letter in front of brain, and it would become train or brain. And this would keep on going. I learned this from Kate. And then same with snow, snowy, snowstorm, snowdrift, snow, and keep on going, sleet, cloud, and sun. And this represents pattern spelling. And then we have our great big sun, and that is marking for confidence. The cloud represents the learner who is self-conscious, scared, nervous, really afraid what they're going to get for a mark. And then out of this cloud, we have this beautiful sun coming out because we are going to mark them for confidence and not judge them and not show the faults.
And like all of these things go together to create one picture, they work towards one common goal. Pat and I did the same thing. We worked together, we shared techniques, and we brainstormed and did the blackboard in our minds and stuff, and we came together with this one poster.
The end.
I'm sorry for the telephone ringing in the middle of it.